you see out here I have brought a flower, okay, and you see this is hibiscus. You see in and out of this flower. I'll be explaining you the part of this flower, okay, with the help of the real flower itself. You see the flower like very properly, all right. These part, the green part is calyx, okay, and this is the first whorl of the flower, all right, and the second whorl is the petals. You see these are the petals, okay, there are 5 petals, and the third whorl of the flower is this red part, okay, this red part and the yellow color. This is a, you see this is anther, okay, the yellow part is anther and the long part is the filament, okay. I'll be showing you one anther and one filament, okay. Yes, this is filament and this part, upper part is anther. I think you can see, isn't it? This upper part is anther and the lower part is filament, and you see the yellow color, this yellow color, all right, this yellow color thing is pollen grains, okay. You see pollen, all the yellow color things are pollen, okay. You see in my hands there are so much yellow thing has been dusted. These are pollen, all right, and the small each there are, you see how many stamen are there. Stamen means, see, you see out here, okay, yes, this is a stamen as a whole. The red part is filament and yellow part is anther, and this whole thing is a stamen, okay. I think this is visible to you, and the yellow color dust outside is the pollen grain, okay, and if you remove this dust there is anther, okay. This is visible to you, I think, okay. Now this upper part 5, this dot is known as stigma, okay, and I'll also be showing you style and ovary. The 3 whorl has been done and the 4th whorl is inside, okay. You see out here, see I'm plucking the everything. I have taken out the petals, okay, I have taken out the sepals, okay, and now I have also taken out the stamen, okay, and now I am going for style, okay. Style is present. Yes, this white part, okay, this white part is style and this is stigma. This is stigma, this is style, and you see out here inside this there is ovary, and this is ovary, okay. This part, this bulge part, this is ovary, this is style, and this is stigma, okay. Now if we cut this ovary, if I'll cut this ovary, okay, I'll find ovules here. You see so many dotted thing, you see these are ovules, okay. Inside the ovary there are ovules, okay. I hope this thing is clear. This is stigma, style, and ovary. Inside ovary there is ovule, and outside the style there was a male part, that is stamen, okay, and whole of this part, what we call this part as a whole, we call it a pistil, isn't it? Ovary, style, and then stigma all together are known as pistil. These are pistils, okay. What is stamen is? Stamen is this part, each part is stamen. This one and one anther and one filament is making stamen, means there are so many stamen, isn't it? But there is only one pistil in a flower. Got it? There is only one pistil, but there are so many stamens. You see so many stamens, and in each pollen, in each anther there is a pollen grain, okay. I hope this part, the flower, is clear to you. Thank you.